Good afternoon, everyone, and hello. Today, I welcome you all to this new edition of Vismaya. I am Nivedita Sharma, and I have the pleasure of speaking with Dr. Dinesh Kumar Chelike, scientist at the Department of Polymers and Functional Materials, CSIR-Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, Hyderabad. Dr. Chelike's research spans atomically in thin materials and functional polymers, sitting right at the intersection of sciences which are fundamental and the real world applications that we see nowadays. I'm really looking forward to this conversation. So let's get started. How are you doing, sir, today?
Yeah, actually I would like to thank first of all here Christ University to inviting me here and giving this opportunity to share some knowledge or share some information here. So it's great to be privileged here.
I'm hoping you're liking our campus as well, sir. So without further ado, would you tell something about yourself to our viewers who are meeting you for the first time through our online and as well as listening to this podcast? Tell us about a little bit of your journey and how you went on becoming a scientist at CSIR IICT.
Yeah, because my history is like I belong to middle class family anyway, and my native place is Chhattisgarh, Bhilai, which is Bhilai, which is also known as Steel City. Okay, in Bhilai, and my father used to work there as an employee, and he is also like a government employee, and my mom is housewife. Okay, and my schooling is I have done there only in my hometown Bhilai, and after that BSc, Bachelor of Science from same my hometown Bhilai. Then I moved actually from starting I used to play some sports like ball badminton. Okay, so I am the national player of ball badminton. So I got opportunity to sports quota. So I selected for sports quota to doing MSc from Karunya University, Coimbatore. So I got this opportunity and I just take as a challenge because that time I don't know any English actually. So I am completely from Hindi medium. Okay, so from Hindi to English is a very tough journey for me. Okay, but just I took challenge. Okay, because if you want to become rice, you have to take a challenge. No, there is no excuses or any other things. So I just take challenge. But during my MSc, I little bit like shy nature. I don't want to speak with anyone because I don't know English. And now you can see something I can convert to conversations to other person or any other things. Okay, so I am very much comfortable to speak English with at least in audience or any other. I can teach English. I can whatever is you can say. So okay, for whatever this is the starting journey. Okay, then I move SRM University to complete my PhD. So during my supervisor is Dr. GT Santhilandavan, and I am the first student of his. So I obtained completely my PhD within 5 years. Due to that all corona issue and other things, I got delay. Otherwise, I might be completed early also. So this is my the MSc whatever the post graduation. After that, I just moved to that some short time industry internship. Like I was working as a senior research associate in ClearSynth R&D lab in Hyderabad itself. So that is the motivation came from that only. So I used to go that some same road where the IICT is there. So I used to see. Just I am thinking, I should work in that IICT. I don't know, that time a dream came. So I should go that like that institute. So now the dream is initial. So I want to go like that. So after 6 months, due to some family reason, I just quit all the jobs and other things. I went to support my family. Then I moved forward to as an assistant professor. So I was working in my hometown. Rungta International Rungta College of Engineering and Technology, now is Rungta University. So I worked there as an assistant professor. Then I was become like deputy dean R&D in the same institute. Then I just from during my PhD itself I just tried to apply in this IICT. So 2020 some notification came. So I just applied that for interview or any other things. But unfortunately I didn't select for interview also. Okay, so I got rejected or any other things. So I thought okay, let's go move forward. So not to be nervous. So you have to move. Okay, then I again the notification came for 2024. So that time also I thought okay, there will be like they are like government institute. So there will be like I thought politics like politics will be there, so they won't take me from that Chhattisgarh place because nobody joined there and there will be some politics. Like that I was thinking that time. So fortunately I got selected for interview, but before that interview, like I forgot my application number actually. So I thought, okay, leave it, forget, I don't want to spend a lot of time to search that application, any other things, but something clicking in my mind. So just let's see what is they call for interview or not. So I just requested to that administrative by mail. So I forget my application, please provide my application number. So after that also they didn't reply till 1 week or something. Then I thought, okay, leave it. Then suddenly they send mail to me, I mean, this is your application number. And then I tried through, just I log in using that application number. Then suddenly fortunately I got selected for interview. So that is like unexpected thing I got. So again then I again think the same thinking is coming in my mind. So there will be some politics because my friend is working there, so he told me some blah 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 about this. So then even though I just try, okay, let's try once what will happen. So I went to that giving interview, and a lot of people will be there obviously for one post. Then I tried my best, so I replied some 70 to 75% or even 80% answer. Then other thing like I forget or something like that. Then I proposed my whatever the slide PPT, because they are not giving any single time. They are telling 15 minutes, but they are telling to ask me the explain 5 minutes all the 5 slide PPT. So I done my well whatever. Then I forget everything. Okay, leave it. What will happen, like that. So fortunately, my hard work and I obviously God. Okay, without God nothing is happening here. So I got that opportunity to work in as a scientist in IICT. So this is my whole life actually, not whole life, starting.
So I would actually like to commend you on your courage and bravery. Plus, honestly, you don't feel like you were from a Hindi department. Your English is very nice. You are able to speak very nicely. So commendable, very commendable, sir. So talking about your PhD, sir, you focused on band gap and defect engineering in atomically thin molybdenum-based materials. Could you explain in simple terms what it means and why was it important?
No, actually, I didn't work this type of material. First of all, I worked completely inorganic, so I have multiple way like inorganic, organic, and something polymer also I work. So like I used to work like inorganic and organic part. So I want to I just hybrid all this thing, and I am checking the property of this functional material. So if you are thinking like functional material and normal material, what is the difference? So if you are using functional material, so if you are applying like a coating application, so suppose if you are applying in that whatever the shiny is coming here, no, or anything, so that is like epoxy coating or something you used to follow. If you are having any functional moiety in your coating application or any other material application, it will bind and it will attack this your substrate. So if you are using normal, like suppose I am keeping some NaCl or salt here, I will throw it there, that will not stick. Yes. That is not functional material or any other things. But if you are functionalizing some any other things like organic material, inorganic material, or any inorganic material, if you are incorporating some organic material, that will make some additional property to interact the surface of glass, wood, or any other things. So that is the difference of that all this thing.
Okay, thank you, sir. Most people work with 2D materials. What drew you in for polymers and functional materials as such? Like, was it like a normal transition or it was a deliberate one?
No, this is like something like modification. If you are having existing whatever the material other scientists are doing or any other research, you have to think in out of box how you can utilize that for multiple purpose, like common human being purpose. So like that you have to think. Suppose whatever nowadays like completely waste material is there. So how you can utilize that waste material to the, like we are saying, no, waste to wealth. So like that we have to think. So like deep manner you have to think about, then only some output will come. This is not one day, but you will get one day whatever. Yes.
So sir, that's a lot of scientific talk that we had right now, but there was one topic that I personally wanted to ask. Where you are is something that a lot of us dream about. So could you like paint a mental image for us as the like a day in CSIR IICT?
So previously I was working as an assistant professor, but my like curiosity, I want to do research, whatever. So, that intention, so whatever that research or any other things during my assistant professor period, I published like 4 research not research paper, review article, and 1 book and book chapter also I published, because I want to do something about the research and any other things, because I am teaching to some students. So, I am also learning some knowledge about the chemistry and deep how what will happen. Then again, if you are learning some literature or reading any literature, so you will get inside knowledge what will happen and what you can do. So, now completely I am focusing on that polymeric material. So, now as I am working now non-isocyanate polyurethane, this is nothing but polyurethane only, but polyurethane to synthesizing the polyurethane you need some polyol and diisocyanate. So, my aim to remove that isocyanate part into that and become it, so it can be applicable for many people. So, they can use, but again the drawback is non-isocyanate polyurethane is the curing property. So, it will not cure in room temperature, you have to give like high temperature. So, to cure that particular material. And another problem is cost. This is like if you are making cyclic carbonate, then it completely cost. So, those challenges I am facing now. So, I am trying to resolve that issue. So, might be some industry will come with this, because in whole India there is no company for non-isocyanate polyurethane. So, just I want to convert, like whatever the polyurethane industry, they should take forward and give some sustainable material, not like they should not play with that workers or any researchers life, because they are using isocyanate like anything. I do not know, they are using, might be they are using safety concern or any other things, I do not know all these things, but even though isocyanate will inhale in your body and that will affect your health issue.
So, sir, one question I had, like you are working so much, when does your day start? Like what time do you report into lab and what time do you get off work?
See, previously I used to work after working hour only. Okay. Because during working hour is lot of like disturbance, and we have very short place to work. So, everyone want to do work there, that I do not like. So, I used to go Saturday also, Sunday also.
Okay.
So, there is no holiday for me. Okay. If I want to work, I will work. Okay. If I do not want to work, I won't work in Monday also or Sunday also. So, you have to be mentally fit. Okay. And I want to do this work within this timeline or any other things. So, like that mindset should be there if you want to do something out of box.
Yeah, that shows in your work as well and your publications as well, sir, that you've worked this hard even on weekends where most of us want to take a break. So, sir, what is one experimental result that you got which genuinely shocked you while you are doing your research throughout your journey?
See, the one material actually, that the same thing, non-isocyanate polyurethane, from starting I am trying to make this one, but I am able to go up any single film. Okay, during my last year of PhD, there is no last year for PhD, but I supposed to submit my thesis. That time I got that film. So, that is like completely happiness for me also, and that is surprising for me also. So, I included in my thesis the both work, whatever I am doing, organic, inorganic, and this polyurethane. And this polyurethane part only, because of that part I am become a scientist actually. I got that post.
So, concluding it, so last question for you. For students who want to pursue research as their career in material sciences, what is one piece of advice that you would have given to yourself when you were at our stage?
See, that is depend on you, like if you want to go government job. So, first of all, you have to avoid all the bad things like smoking, drinking, everything. But one of my friend is there, he got stuck in the one of a recruitment process. The recruitment process is completely very, how I can say, like completely difficult. Okay, in medical also they will stop you and they will go you are not fit for work, like that they will tell. So, avoid whatever the bad thing. If you want government job, if you want private job, then in your hand. Okay, whatever you want to do, you can do by yourself. Okay, but be motivated and honestly do your work by ethics and everything. That's all from my side actually.
So, thank you so much, Dr. Chelike, for taking your time and talking to us today and sharing your insights. Your journey is actually very inspiring to a lot of us because we start from where you were that time. So, looking at you, we also get inspired. I hope this conversation brings a lot of insights and inspiration to all of our viewers as well. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.